65-ton center cab General Motors, right?
General Electric.
General Electric, I'm sorry.
That's built at the Erie plant, 1955.
Oh, 1955. What's this powered by?
2 diesel electric systems. Each end is identical. 6-cylinder Cummins engine powers a generator, and the generator provides power for the traction motors down on the axles.
Okay.
MH Brickman calling MH number 2. That has 1 minute has test, and there is no movement at 12:05 at Middletown. Over.
Roger. M&H engine number 2 copies. Good brake test, good hold test for hand brakes. 12:05 Middletown. Number 2 out.
Is there an engine on each end of this?
Yeah, we'll go out and take a look.
That's the powerhouse. What is that, 6?
Inline 6 Cummins.
Inline 6 Cummins. Cool. Seems to run good.
If you look back here, you can see the generator.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, thank you, Ryan.
No problem. And of course, the other end is just a mirror image of this.
What's on the other end? What's on the other end? Just the
Exact same thing we have on this
exact
end.
same thing as the other end. Okay.
Yep, it's actually 2 locomotives on 1 frame.
That's
The
what
engine and generator on this end power the 2 motors on that truck. The engine and generator on that end power the 2 motors on the other truck.
Okay. I kind of thought so because of the motor. You can see the levers to keep the engine, to cover up
Correct.
the
If
keep
we
the engine.
go down below, we can probably actually see the traction motors on the trucks.
Okay.
So
Cool.
if you do have a mechanical problem on either end that would cause it to shut down, such as it overheated or oil pressure dropped, you can get back on just one side running alone.
That's cool. Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Well, you want to check out the